fit, and this is a brand new 2024 plate Mercedes GLC, protected with an I-96 Connect. So if a thief managed to get this key, broke into your house and stole it, done a relay attack and went to steal your vehicle, they're going to start the vehicle, but as soon as they put it in gear, it's going to cut out. As you see, unable to drive it away. And as we'll see, because it's a Connect, the customer's phone's going to ring. They're going to know someone's attacking their vehicle, trying to steal it. There we go. So if it's parked around the corner, you're going to know, your phone's going to ring, and you can go out and see what's going on. Obviously, if it's you don't want these phone calls, so you'll start the car. You can either choose from a code. For now, we just have 1, 2, 3. Hear a disarm tone and we can select our gear. Vehicle doesn't stall out and we can drive away. But some people don't want to waste the time doing the code, even though it's totally unique to them. Some people set sort of 10 presses, don't want to do that. So we can just turn the Bluetooth on. Now our phone's connected, it can be locked in our pocket. We get in and start. It disarms and we can drive off. No need to waste time with that code. Simply have your phone in your pocket, get in and drive away. We're Immobiliser fit. This is an I-96 Connect. Once again, we'll turn the Bluetooth off. If someone got in the vehicle and went to steal it, put it in gear, they've got your key, it's going to cut out, as you see, and the phone's also going to ring to let you know someone's in the vehicle. This is the I-96 Connect. We're Immobiliser fit. Our number is 0208 212 7393. Thanks for watching.